ladies last. It's always nice to talk ladies last. So kanil muna, sige game.
Oh, I'm very much excited. Personally, this is my second project with Prime. And yes, first of all, simula sa gitna. And they've always championed the Filipino stories. And I'm very much excited to be part of Home with Mali. And also, it is a collaboration between three industry giants, Prime, ABS-CBN, and GMA.
Exactly.
Super excited.
That was brought up during the panel discussion. Thank you for bringing that up again. John!
Yeah, hi, good afternoon to everyone. I'm excited because Honor Thy Mother will revolve around mother-daughter relationship, family, and sacrifice, of course.
Thank you. And Barbie, Sharon, wow, here we go. Are you excited to work with each other as well?
Yes! Last kami actually, ang daming young artists ng GMA7. Ang lagi kong nakikita, for some reason, sa social gatherings, si Barbie. Tapos we would end up talking to each other. We really enjoyed each other's company every time. Kaya nung nalaman ko siya,
And this happened.
yes, and of course, it's my, do I go ahead and I continue? It's my second project with Prime. So I'm very happy. I was with Saving Grace, Dream State, and ABS-CBN Saving Grace. And now I'm very pleased because I think it's the first collaboration between our mother studios, ABS-CBN, and of course GMA7. So it's like two families coming together and brought under one roof by Prime. So we're very proud, very honored.
First, what an opportunity.
I'm very honored, and I'm honored that it's to honor thy mother. That's the title.
Dami honor na na.
Na-connect ko ba
Oo,
now?
honor ko. Barbie.
Ayan, ako po, what excites me about this is, grabe, big companies coming together for this massive, or some might call it mega project. Hindi ba? It's a mega family drama, and this is my first time working with Dreamscape. Oh my gosh.
You're the best.
Yeah, oh my gosh. An ABS-CBN TV production in collaboration with my home network, GMA, in partnership with Prime Video. So grabe, lalaking kumpanya nagsama-sama para sa proyektong ito to give you this very great project. And gusto ko rin po magpasalamat dahil my film P77 was able to reach a much wider audience. Yes, Miss Nessa! Jeremy Pictures! Thank you po, thank you po. I was able to reach a wider reach of audience dahil sa Prime Video. So maraming salamat po. I'm really excited.
And we can see the excitement radiating off all of you. So we wish you the best. We look forward to what is to come with collaboration. Of course, the magic of collaboration can bring. Cheers to Team Honor by Barbie. Thank you so much. Thank you. And finally, in the originals lineup, we
The network wars, and there was like a wall between us where there's no crossing boundaries. We got boxed into where we belong, artists, storytellers, showrunners, and writers and directors, and all that. We cannot cross boundaries. And so this is a golden era for, because this is such a casting tool. And we're just really happy for Barbie because we love her. She's a bit. She grew up literally before our eyes when she was this little teenage tween girl, and she's this kind of generational talent who can, who in terms of craft, because she can do comedy on one hand and do heavy dramatic shots on the other hand, and she can do both in one singular expression. So we're just really happy and excited for her that she's doing this with Miss Sharon Cuneta, who's also a generational talent. So, and this is brought together by like the collaboration between GMA and I know they're in good hands because from them the show running this. And I'm just really happy and excited for them because I know that there's a lot of expectations for them from them.
It's a defining moment for us.
Yeah.
Because we used to compete. And now we're collaborating together for this big project. And of course we're friends.
Are we? Not only we're friends, It's always just, this is the nicest people in ABS-CBN.
Hey, that's an idea right there. That's a creative idea. It's a show in the making. Okay, sorry.
Two showrunners competing.
Yeah, that's another show. Sorry.
In bringing together the Kapuso Prime and Princess Barbie Forteza and Miss Sharon Planeta, the only megastar, it's already a big accomplishment. It's an historic accomplishment for us.
And we're looking forward to what that will show later on. But for now, just to wrap this all up, again, Caitlin, Chaitanya, Rondell, Aloy, Randolph, what does this collaboration mean for Filipino storytelling? Where do you see Filipino content going in the next few years? If I may start from there, I'll go ladies last. I know, not ladies first, ladies last to wrap it up. So, yes, please.
Okay, I think the way to go forward is going global, sharing our authentic Filipino narratives to the global market. I think that's good.
Thank you. Aloy?
This is a golden era for us Filipino storytellers because now we're not just making stories to our local audiences. And thank you to Amazon for this opportunity to platform our local stories through Prime Video, not just to the Filipino audience all over the world, but to the global audiences. And with it, of course, comes a challenge of the welcome challenge of elevating storytelling and elevating our production standards to global standards. But the ambition really is to, for anyone in the world, anybody in the world to have a title of a Filipino thumbnail title in front of him on the screen and click on it because they know that it's going to be a compelling ride and entertainment.
And it is available on Prime Video.
Yes.
Thank you for that. How about Randolph?
Yeah, I think doing season 1 of Last One Laughing proved that we don't need to pretend to be someone else. As Filipinos, we can create our original materials even if the format is